Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ASUS Zenfone 10 to an Android device. You need to start by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, click on the same options on both smartphones. Firstly, I agree at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally select Send at the bottom left corner of ASUS. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Zenfone. You can finally use all of those categories available at the top to pick multiple files that you wish to transfer. After selecting all of them, choose Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon right next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section instead and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Sorry. Lastly, hit Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!